In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. Our topic is asking the time, conversation. So here we will learn conversation A. So let me tell you here that S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. Let's begin. Conversation A. First person, what time do you have? Second person is replying, it's 10 o'clock sharp. First person, thanks a lot. Second person is telling, don't mention it. Conversation B. First person, what's the time? Second person is replying to that answer, it's almost 8. First person, do you have the exact time? Second person, yes, it's 2 minutes to 8. Conversation C. First person, excuse me, what time is it? Second person, it's a 1:45. First person, I guess my watch is slow then. Second person, well, I know mine isn't fast. Conversation D. First person is asking question, what time is it right now? Second person, it's 5:25. First person, I've got 5:35. Second person is replying, you are 10 minutes fast then. Conversation E. First person is asking question, do you have the correct time? Second person is replying, yes, it's 2 minutes to 3. First person, are you sure your watch is right? Second person, it's maybe a few minutes slow. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information.